Hey, it's Jordan, the 1031 doctor, and today we're looking at a very interesting deal in IHOP in Florida. The 1031 doctor has been buying, building, selling, leasing triple net investments across the United States since 1986. We will deliver a full analysis within 24 hours for $299. Let's jump into this deal. And what we have here is in Fort Lauderdale. We have this amazing IHOP, and it's a low price point, $2.4 million six cap deal. And I'll tell you right off the bat, this should be a five cap considering the strength of this particular tenant and the location. But they're offering a six cap, and I'll tell you why. Let's dive into this thing. You can see it's a pretty nice newer design. And if you look at the map here, it's definitely ground zero. I'm going to open the OM here, but let's just look at what Crexy has to say. So we've got operated by Florida's largest IHOP franchisee. And IHOP does very, very well in Florida. You know, Florida and Fort Lauderdale is a good seniors area, very successful units out there, 150 locations in Georgia. Immediately proximity to HCA Florida Woodmont Hospital, 351 beds. That's the kind of anchor that never goes anywhere, and that's the kind of anchor we like to see. And having an IHOP next to a hotel, next to a hospital is as good as it gets. Trust me. The lease goes to December 2035. It's strategically positioned along North University Drive, and you got 500,000 people in 5 mile radius. Now, you know, looking at these deals with me, you know, that's above average. Boulder Group is a great group of brokers, and you can trust them. And this is a pretty good deal. 55,000 cars per day, which is excellent. The household income exceeding 89,000, that's not the greatest. So this isn't a real high-end part of town, but you know, you're basically by a hospital. Let's take a look at the OM. There's the executive summary. Positioned ranked number 8 in U.S. for population size. Miami MSA, so it's Miami area. Zero landlord responsibilities, operated by Sunshine Restaurant Partners, 150 location. That's great. Remember, I told you in another video, sometimes the franchise guarantee is stronger than the corporate. Successful operating history, strategically positioned, great traffic, and average household income 89,000. We already talked about that. Now here's the issue why it's a six cap. The issue is that it's only 1% annual increases, and that sucks. We don't like that. So we're going to grade this a B plus because it's a great location and a great business plan next to a hospital. But we're going to try to get this at a seven cap. And I would offer a seven and a quarter and settle at seven. And they may just accept that, but who knows? I mean, if you are dealing with people that only have a few days left to identify a property and they're desperate, they may jump at a six cap. But if it's been on the market, and this one's only been on the market a few days, so this is one of those deals where the good ones go real fast. This is a good one, and it'll go if someone's late in their exchange identification process. That six cap's going to look really good, but there's only a 1% annual increase every year, and that's not good. That's not good at all. Now, it's a good three-quarter acre, which is all we like. And here's the hospital, and here's Aldi that tells you what kind of neighborhood it is. There's the Bank of America. Here's the university. West McNabb has 46,000 cars. And so I'm not seeing where their location is here. Let's move this up a little bit. They're not showing it. I think it's right here. I think it's right here. I think that's it. I'm surprised they didn't show that a little better. Oh, wait a minute. Here we go. I'm very sorry. Here we go. Here we go. Here's the IHOP, and we're over here. So the hospital is quite a ways away. Hospital is a good half mile away, and you got a golf course here, golf course community. Now, you know, golf courses affect demographics. If this was all homes, this would be a lot busier. So you do a 360 on this, and a quarter of it's gone. So demographic wise, you don't want to have retail next to golf courses or large bodies of water. Here's your site plan. It's on a corner, so we like the hard corner, and we've got extra parking here, and the ingress is pretty limited. Having just one ingress, egress there, that's pretty tight. But you can come out here on 61st Street, so that's pretty good. See what else they have on this one? So here's where you are. There's Miami. So they consider this Miami MSA, but it's really, you're closer to Pompano Beach. It's Fort Lauderdale. But this is all nothingness out here. So that's what you're dealing with Florida. Anyways, that's pretty good. Here's the population figures. We love Florida. Great place to invest. Zero taxes. And they have 1,800 locations. Company subsidiary of Dine Brands Global. So if it was corporate, I've done a few IHOP deals where it was just small franchises and they went bad, but corporate picked them up. So we bought the deal at franchise prices, like 8, 9 cap in Kansas City, and then corporate took it over and they became, 6 cap deals. So that can happen with IHOPs. I've seen that happen. Anyways, if you're in a 1031 exchange and you need some help, you can reach out and give me a call, 310-721-7375. Please like, subscribe, and share. And feel free to reach out if you have some problems and you want some advice on one of these deals. It's Jordan, the 1031 Doctor, signing out.